Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed already and hit the bell icon. Today we're gonna learn how to add music to your Instagram story. For that, first of all, go to your Instagram application, tap on the plus button over your profile and then select any image or videos you want to use for your Instagram story. There on the top, you can see a sticker, tap on it and find music sticker. If you can't find music sticker, then you can manually search for it. Now tap on the music sticker and you can see the list of music. Select the one you want. You can also change the way the music looks by sliding the first navigation. To manage the duration, you can tap on duration button and you can manage it from 5 seconds to 15 seconds. Then at last you can also select a part of music you want on your story by simply sliding the timeline. After you are satisfied with how your story looks, you can share it either on close friend or share it to everyone. Thank you for watching the video till the end, and if you face any problems, let us know on the comment section below, and also hit the like button if it helped you, to subscribe and hit the bell icon for similar contents.